हेलो एवरीबॉडी। अगर आप फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम चाहते हैं, अगर आप वेल्थ क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, आप सही जगह पे आए हैं। यू हैव कम टू द राइट प्लेस। वेलकम टू फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम विद प्लैनेट वेल्थ यूट्यूब चैनल एंड पॉडकास्ट चैनल। दोनों में आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। आईपीओ सीरीज की अगली श्रृंखला में आज हम सी इंफो सिस्टम्स मतलब मैप माई इंडिया का आईपीओ कल से शुरू होने जा रहा है। दैट इज 10th ऑफ दिसंबर। वो आईपीओ क्या लेके आ रहा है इन्वेस्टर कम्युनिटी के लिए, मतलब आपके लिए क्या लेके आ रहा है, आपको उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, अगर इन्वेस्ट करें तो आपको क्या एक्सपेक्ट करना चाहिए। तो ये सारी जो क्वेश्चंस होती है इन्वेस्टर कम्युनिटी मतलब आपके दिमाग में, उसके डिसीजन डिस्कशन लेके आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके सामने उपस्थित हुआ हूँ। आई एम ब्रिजेश परिक, father of two lovely kids, husband to a loving woman. I'm an edupreneur now turned into a well coach, and I'm on a mission to help 1 lakh families like yours live a financially worry-free life and achieve financial freedom during your life. So मेरे इसी मिशन को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आज की वीडियो में चलिए देखते हैं कि मैप माई इंडिया का आईपीओ इन्वेस्टर आपके लिए क्या लेके आ रहा है। लेट्स लुक एट दी इश्यू। इश्यू क्या है उसमें, उसके बारे में पहले हम बात करते हैं। तो MapMyIndia company is engaged in the software business and is provider of advanced digital maps, geospatial software, and location-based Internet of the Things technologies. The company is coming out with its initial public offering of equity shares of the face value of rupees 10 each. The maiden offer comprises an offer for sale (OFS) of shares worth rupees 1039.61 crores by existing investor according to its red herring prospectus. The price band of the issue has been fixed at rupees 1000 at the lower end to rupees 1033 per equity share at the higher end. The IPO is opening on the December 9th, while it will be closing on the December 11th. The issue will be listed on exchange on December 21, 2021. The lot size of this IPO is 14 share. A retail investor can apply up to a maximum of 13 lots, which is 182 shares worth rupees 1,88,006 rupees. The objects of the offer are to carry out the offer for sale of 10,06,063,945 equity shares and achieve the benefit of listing the equity shares on the stock exchange, which means the proceeds from the IPOs, the fund collected from the IPO, would not be used in expansion of the business. It is primarily IPO is brought to provide exit route to the existing investor to sell few of its equity. तो ये बिजनेस एक्सपेंशन के लिए आईपीओ नहीं लाया जा रहा है मैप माई इंडिया की ओर से। अभी कंपनी के बारे में बात करें। मैप माई इंडिया इज अ लीडिंग प्रोवाइडर ऑफ एडवांस डिजिटल मैप्स, geospatial software and location based internet of the things technologies in India. The company is a data and technology products and platforms company offering proprietary digital maps as a service MaaS, software as a service SaaS, and platform as a service PaaS. The company provides products, platform, and application programming interfaces and solutions across a range of digital map data, software, and IoT for the Indian market under the MapMyIndia brand and for the international market under the Mappls brand. The digital maps offered by the company cover 6.29 million kilometers of roads in India, representing 98.50% of India's road network. The company's digital map data provides location, navigation, and analytics and other information for 7,933 towns and 6,37,470 villages. 17.79 million places across many categories such as restaurants, retail shops, malls, ATMs, hotels, police stations, electric vehicle charging station, etc. and 14.5 million house or building addresses are mapped. The company's real view maps provide actual roadside and on-ground views based on over 400 million geo-reference photos, videos, and 360-degree panoramas across India. The company serves the banking and financial services industry, telecom, fast-moving consumer goods company, industrials, logistics, and transportation sectors. MapMyIndia has also entered into various memorandum of understanding with key government organizations such as Indian Space Research Organization, Niti Aayog, National E-Governance Division, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and Government of India. Some of the company's customers include PhonePe, Flipkart, Yulu, HDFC Bank, Airtel, and Hyundai. The subscription fee, royalty, and annuity payments together contributed over 90% of company's revenue in financial year 2021. Now, what are the competitive strengths of the company? The company are pioneers of digital mapping in India, having an early mover advantage, leading B2B and B2B2C market for digital maps and location intelligence in India, proprietary technology and network effect resulting in competitive edge, independent global geospatial product and platforms company with strong data governance, prestigious customers across sectors with strong relationships, consistent profitable financial track record. Now, what are the risks? The company is independent of trends, dependent on trends in the sectors where its enterprise customers are automobile, consumer, logistics operate. Its business is dependent on the performance of the automotive sector, including in India, its key markets. Any adverse change in condition affecting these sectors can adversely impact the business. Inability to maintain or update map database or errors in its map database could harm its reputation or adversely affect its ability to sell its products and services across. Inability to protect intellectual property or any third party claims in relation to infringement of intellectual property rights in the future could adversely affect business and cash flows. The liberalization of digital mapping industry may increase competition and its inability to compete effectively could result in the loss of customers and market share. The company depends on a limited number of customers for a significant portion of its revenue. So its customer base is relatively concentrated. Now let's look at the finances. So as you can see, for the 6 year ending 30th September 21, it has net profit of 467.66 million. For the financial year ending 31st March 2019, it had a profit of 335.66 million rupees. Next year, 30 financial year ending 31st March 20, it had a profit of 231.95 million rupees, and on the 31st March 21, it had a profit of 594.33 billion rupee. So the profit is growing and the business is growing. Now let's summarize the things and discuss the recommendation. As per the Frost and Sullivan report, the company is leading provider of advanced digital maps, geospatial software, and location-based IoT technologies. Having pioneered digital mapping in India in 1995, it has earned its market leadership position in this industry and built a strong moat by capitalizing on its early mover advantage, developing proprietary and integrated technologies, full stack product offering, continuous innovation, and a robust, sustainable business model. It derives the majority of its revenue from B2B and B2B2C enterprise customers. Business model is to charge customer fees per period based on per vehicle, per asset, and per transaction, per use case, per user as applicable. These take the form of subscription fees, royalties, annuities in return for providing licenses and usage right to its proprietary digital mass platform PaaS and SaaS offerings. Its returns on capital employed were 50, 41, and 110% respectively for financial year 2019, 20, and 21 respectively. As per the Frost and Sullivan report, the total Indian addressable market of digital maps and location-based intelligence services is expected to grow to rupees 474.9 billion in 2025 at around 15.5% compounded annual growth rate from 2019 to 2025. The net profit margins have gone up from about 20.5% in FY19 to about 38.12% as of September end 2021. The return on capital employed have also gone above 100%. Clearly, the growth has been supernormal and the question of sustainability kicks in. Also, the price to earning of the company is high, 68.54. The existing shareholder alone are offering the shares in absence of a fresh issue. And so, even though the IPO appears attractive, I advise investor to wait for a bargain and buy the script. Hence, I recommend to avoid investing into the IPO. Let the IPO listed and then once the dust settles and the valuations are derived, then you can think about investing in the company from a long term perspective. सो आई होप आज की ये जो वीडियो थी मैप माई इंडिया आईपीओ के बारे में, वो आपको उसमें कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, आप उसको कैसे अप्रोच करें, उसके बारे में आपके डिसीजन लेने में हेल्प करेगी. इफ यू विश टू फोकस ऑन कीपिंग एंड ग्रोइंग योर मनी, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you keep on receiving update notification. Read my blogs at theplanetworld.in. Listen to my podcast at anchor.fm, where I am hosting the podcast, and it is available on all leading podcast platforms such as Google Podcast and Spotify Podcast, etc. You can also view a bite-size personal financial literacy video on moneycraft.com. Sorry, you can join, like my Facebook page, Planet Wealth, or join my financial well-being group on the Facebook. Or the best way to connect with me and get this kind of valuable content is to store my WhatsApp number 9328190022 in your mobile on as Planet Wealth, and then send a WhatsApp message. Add me your name करके WhatsApp message भेज दिए, so that I will add your number into my personal financial literacy broadcast group. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. May God shower abundant wealth to you. May you achieve financial freedom in your life. See you in the next video. Bye bye.